Hey, beautiful people all over the world. Guys, right now the time is like 5 a.m. of morning. And all night I traveled and just arrived in my village. You guys can see which kind of weather I have in my village right now. I can hear the chirping of birds. Birds are chirping, and it is really pleasant to enjoy the birds' sweet voices. And believe me, this green grass is full of dew. And guys, walking on this grass with bare feet really makes you calm mentally, physically, and help you to feel fresh. Truly, truly, guys, it feels like I'm in heaven, in most peaceful place of world, without any noise pollution, without any traffic horns, without any pollution. Everything is natural here. The air, the oxygen, the food, everything. Hey guys, if you like this video of morning sunrise moment. Actually, right now the weather is cloudy, so you guys can't see the sunrise, okay? So if you guys want me to upload more video about my village, then write down in the comment section and I will make more videos for you with my face in the videos. Right now, haha, I'm feeling tired, so I'm only showing you my village view. Okay guys, take care of yourself. Subscribe my channel. Bye bye.